points. Sorry, expert option has remained a competitive broker to trade because of its fixed spread hoist. You cannot find any other broker hoist such. Okay, when it's come to payments, another critical thing is in this broker compared to the others is that it is entirely free to join and trade. Therefore, you are not forced to pay any money for your traders expert the commission amount mentioned above. Okay, expert option review payment method. The thing that has made this broker a brand worldwide is the variety of payment methods. The deposit and withdrawals are made with several simple processes which are fully explained below. Deposits. Okay. This broker has done a lot of valuable things to simplify the process of deposits. People from all over the world choose their broker for beginning their traders because of its minimum deposit of comparatively low $10. Sometimes based on several elements such as the types of trading, this amount could be reduced up to 1%. Okay. All in all, there are more than 20 payments process in this broker, including okay, here is the process skill, okay, the Visa, Perfect Money, Web Money, Mastercard, Master Pro, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, like many more. Okay. So now withdrawals. Withdrawals of the fund are one of the most critical of several traders. Expert option has provided a simple process of leaps based the account's type. However, withdrawals usually are made through cryptocurrency e-wallets. The minimum payments amount of withdrawals is this broker is $10. However, you can get via skill, web money, perfect money, and many more. Okay, here is demo accounts. Okay. This broker provides a demo account that allows the user to become aware of their power points and weak points in trading. There is no need to register, and it is beneficial for the traders because achieve an excellent experience that doesn't need any personal data. This show you that the broker is so confident in their work, which makes you trust as a broker easily. Privacy and security. Like many professional brokers, safety and security are critical for expert option. That's why many cryptographic algorithms are employed to ascertain that their data are safe. This broker is licensed by the SBGFASA, a government financial authority that provides security in financial matters of the transaction. Furthermore, transaction of PCI is complete with means all data is encrypted. Okay. Expert option review accounts type. The broker has 6 types of accounts, which gives the user a wide range of options. Each of these account has its benefits, and this fact uh, signifies that it is the client who chooses the type of account based on their goals and condition. Among those 6 types of search, the silver account is most popular, one of because of the balance of benefits for the investment amount.